sa grupo niyo si Dang.
One of these songs for you. Coming from John Arden.
I love you, Dang! How do you cool your lips after a summer?
Lakasan mo, Dang!
After the body bliss, how do you turn your eyes? After the... Tanganan nila yung lyrics! After you saw the first love.
Sa'kin ka tumingin!
To fall in love again. Oh, I really should have known by the time you drove me home. Vagueness in your eyes, the casual goodbyes, but chill in your embrace, the expression on your face that told me maybe you might have some advice to give on how to be insensitive. Insensitive. How do you numb your skin? How do you numb your skin? After the warmest touch.
Okay, si Moise.
Warmest touch. How do you slow your blood? After the warmest touch. After the warmest touch. How do you breathe your soul? After you found a friend. How do you teach your heart? Your